Hey Ryan,
Oh, hey, Melissa.
I hear the installation banquet is coming up on Saturday, December 4th.
You know what? It sure is. And this year it's at the Ritz-Carlton Beach Resort. And I would like to personally invite you and a guest to join us in the celebration that night. The cocktail reception begins at 5:30 and the program's at 6:30. There's going to be a fantastic three-course dinner and live entertainment by the band Iconic. You won't want to miss it.
I'm going for sure.
Well, you know what? I'm going to be there too, but you better register soon on NABOR.com before it's sold out. And I would just like to give a special thank you to our platinum sponsors this year, the FERPTA Group, Cottrell Title and Escrow, KTS Group, and John R. Wood Properties. It's going to be an awesome evening, so please join us as we glow to the next level in 2022.